if you look up, right there.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
Good morning mga kacoolest! Welcome back to my channel. Marami pong salamat sa mga subscribers. For those who are watching my vlog, thank you very much. One of the tourist attractions here in Bangkok, even though it's not very close to Bangkok, it's at least 1 hour and 20 minutes from the heart of the city. So nakikita yung mga coolest, ang ganda-ganda. I am surrounded with beautiful flowers. This place is Rak Dok Lalagoon. Rak actually means love and Dok means flower. So today I am going to tour you around the area. O diba? So this is actually just one of the photo booths right here because they have a lot. So tara mga coolest, let me tour you around Rak Dok Lalagoon. While touring around the area, they also actually have different cafes here. So later on, we're gonna try one of their restaurants. So, but before that, of course, picture muna tayo mga kacoolest. So I guess this is for just, you know, when you get tired, hangout area. So I don't know the name of these trees, but yeah, we are surrounded by these thin, tall trees. So this place, mga kacoolest, at their website, it opens at 11. But really, we came here like 10 o'clock and they allowed us. So anyway, this place is perfect for birthday photos, graduation photos, wedding photos. At sa mga kababayan kong Pilipino na turista, you can visit this place, and of course my fellow Filipinos that are already living in Thailand. So right now it's free because I remember I read the reviews, they said they had to pay. But that was last year. So this is it mga kacoolest, o diba? You sit here and Pax, ay, diba? Queen na queen. Oh, ang ganda. And another tip mga kacoolest, if you come here, please wear like a really nice dress or like a plain pastel color because your background is gonna be colorful because again, it's floral. Right now, I'm wearing this because we actually came here by motorcycle. I couldn't wear a dress. But anyway, you're probably wondering how to come here. I would recommend the best way to come here is taking a taxi. It's like 1 hour and 30 minutes. By motorbike, without traffic, it took us 1 hour and 10 minutes to get here. So if you have friends, better, so you can save money. I would say probably it would cost you around 300 baht if you take a taxi, which is ideal if you are with your friends, which is quite cheap. Ayan o, very cute, very Instagrammable, I would say. And these flowers, they are not real. They are made of cloth and net material. So anyway, this is a nice area again to take photos. Alam mo na tayo mga babae, we love to take photos. Pose. Ayan o, Pax. Pose. Pose. Tapos candid. Yun yung paborito kong pose mga kacoolest. Yung kunwari, tawan-tawa ako. And another one right here mga kacoolest, very nice. It's just full of pastel flowers. So, tara, 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 tara. So mga coolest, this is probably my favorite station, I would say. Kasi very colorful and very pastel. It's almost like a wedding photo shoot. Well, these trees, mga coolest, is another, again, area for a nice background. These are not real, but they look beautiful in the photos. Alam mo nun tayo mga millennials, gusto natin pang Instagram. But the place itself, it's actually because right now we are still in the midst of pandemic, so it's not very crowded. And the vibe of this place is kind of chill and relaxed. So I guess, even though it's not really well maintained, because I guess they run out of budget and off season and no tourists. Right now I'm just seeing all local tourists. This area was, for sure, 2 years ago was really nice and vibrant. And oh my God, that's a big spider. Gee, is that the one with poison?
I have no
That's
idea.
so big. This area is actually used to be, I'm sure, very beautiful and kind of well decorated, but because there's less tourists and they close it for a while because of pandemic. So as you can see, right now it's kind of look raggedy, if you know what I mean. So anyway, let's go to another booth. Nasa, I am not sure, photo booth number 5 or number 6. So anyway, I lost count. So this is it. Oh, ayan, di ba? Ang ganda ng background. Eto. These are actually real plants. Dried leaves of something. And this, no, this is material. Kind of synthetic. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. And then you can see real trees. If you look up, right there. So mga coolest, this is another photo station or photo booth. This is kind of like an orchid farm. Unfortunately, they are not real, but again, they look stunning in photos, I guess. This is another small photo booth, very tiny but very cute. So ayan, butterfly ang background natin, plus these pastel, again, flowers. And then, of course, pose, packs, ganon. When you get tired of walking, even though the place is not very huge, ayan, meron kayong pahingahan. You can take a rest or even take a nap. O, di ba? Ang saya-saya. Oh, I really hope it doesn't
Fall? Yeah, me too.
fall. Because I think I'm getting bigger. So, o, di ba? Ang saya. Lalo na ngayon dahil libre siya. O, di ba?
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie.
Another one of the beautiful stations here at Raknok, Lalagon is their ship. So, eto mga coolest, again, decorated with beautiful flowers. So, ayan. Di ba? Ang saya-saya. Near, far. One of my favorite stations here. I don't know, how would you call it? The mirror floral cube or whatever. So, ayan mga kung nakikita nyo, this is actually glass mirror. So you can see yourself. Oh, and my husband right there. And the other side is also mirror. And the decoration here is really pretty. Those couples that are going to get married soon, this place is perfect because right now it's free. So you can come here and wear your beautiful white dress and take your cameraman with you. And there you go. You have free photo opportunities. The background is just very stunning. So this is another, probably my fourth favorite station here or photo booth. The dock with this beautiful white floral decoration.
'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by.
So mga kulas, ngayon po ay 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Ayan, eto smoothie and watermelon and mango. Medyo pricey yung pagkain nila dito kasi siguro nga the entrance fee is free. That's why the food is a little pricey. So this smoothie is actually 120 baht. But the size is actually big. And
Tasty.
natural.
All
And
natural.
gyoza, 5 pieces. Yan. For 100 baht. And we ordered pizza. We're waiting for our pizza.
Yeah, that's good.
So this is it mga kules. It's actually tiny. 240 baht.
4 cheese and tomato.
Yeah. So this is it.
Good.
So that's it mga kules. I hope you enjoyed my tour. Thank you for subscribing and I hope you hit the bell para updated kayo sa iba't ibang tips ni Coolest Teacher Diary dito sa Thailand.